Making art for children's books is very, very different from making art for myself or for a painting that would hang on a gallery wall or something that will live in my sketchbook, only it's a very different process. The Caldecott Medal, I think it's described as the best picture book of the year for its illustrations. The award is for the art in the book. In 2025, there was a little bit of talk in the fall. Someone had wrote something about Chu Chalpt being predicted as one of the Caldecott contenders. I didn't think much about it. The thought just dropped out of my consciousness, and I didn't think about it much. People were talking about a lot of these other books that were going to possibly win the Caldecott. It's a thing that people like to predict. Chu Chalpt wasn't anywhere on there, and I just didn't think it was a possibility or an option. I got this call on my cell phone, and I didn't know who the number was, but I picked it up. The Caldecott committee was sitting in the room together, and I heard a lot of laughter and commotion and conversation in the background, and they told me I'd won the Caldecott, and I was pretty much in disbelief. I was like, what? That can't really be possible. They're not possibly talking about my book, and so they repeated it a few times. It was a very big surprise, especially being my first book. It was not something I expected.